Hello, that's what that does. It focuses it larger and smaller. Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'm here in my kitchen, and you will not see me because I'm not wearing anything right now. Oh, I'm dead tired. I just had to take my clothes off, and I'm going to take a nap. All right, here we are in the kitchen, and I'm about to cook for the first time on any video anywhere, if I can get it to turn right side up, Jiffy Pop. And I haven't cooked Jiffy Pop in years. Popping corn, palm oil, less than 2% of salt, color added. Why would you need color? Natural flavor, including milk. That's odd. TBHQ citric acid for freshness contains milk. I never knew Jiffy Pod had milk in it. Why Jiffy Pod? Pod! Help! Jiffy Pop, not Pod. This is not the Body Snatchers. All right, gas range or camp stove, set flame at medium low, electric range, preheat for 3 to 4 minutes at medium high. Well, on my stove, anything is medium high. This thing sucks. I'll set that for 5. And it says, place pan on burner. When sizzling sound is heard, continuously shake pan in very fast circular and back and forth motions until foil is fully expanded. 2 to 5 minutes, remove pan from burner when popping sounds almost stop. Popcorn will scorch if left on the heated burner. And the reason I'm doing this is my microwave has died. Open with a fork to relieve hot steam. Serve and enjoy. Well, this is my microwave. And what happened last night is I found that it was decayed in the back. And it may have caught fire at one time and I didn't know it. And there's a big hole in the microwave. Literal hole, and it's dead. So I got to go tomorrow to Walmart with my caregiver and buy a new microwave, and I'll make sure to try to keep it a little cleaner. But I don't know what the hell happened there. All right, we're gonna put this on the stove. Move this thing, and we will see what happens. So I'm gonna end this one. I don't know if I'm going to stand here for 3 minutes while it gets hot. The burner's hot. So we will see if this cooks. Carrying all those bottles and the cans of cat food killed me. And I'm going to show you here that they are here. That's where they are. And I thank the person for all the wonderful crayons from the kitties, and the kitties thank the person too. Thank Elle. So I didn't ask her last name, but I know her first name, but I will not reveal it. That all has to be scrubbed and stuff after we go to cleaning supplies tomorrow. My caregiver will clean my whole kitchen for me, which is so wonderful. And my right foot's hurting, and my leg is hurting. My left foot has been dead most of the day walking. So, all right, you can. I'm going to turn this down because 5 is probably, I'll turn it down to 4. 5 is too high. And I did go and get a bottle of Dawn. So, there's Dawn with the ducky. So I can do my pile of dishes later when I get up. And throw most of these TV dinner trays in the recycling bin. And that pot needs to be washed badly. You will watch my videos. You will send donations. Just kidding. Watch the spinning Jiffy Pop. Watch the spinning Jiffy Pop. Why do I have trouble saying that word? I don't know. Well, it's obviously not high enough. Steam air is coming out, though. The reason the stove is so dirty is I haven't had anything to clean it with. All that will change tomorrow. There it goes. I don't like electric stoves. Jiffy Pop, we were always doing it on a gas stove when I was a child. Hands getting tired. My all-time favorite food is popcorn. That's really going. Turn this down. I want it to burn. And that seems to be it. It's done. So, still don't understand why there's milk in this thing. Alright, we don't have a fork in hand, so we're going to take a knife. Ooh. Rinse it off. Puncture the Jiffy Pop. That's to let the steam out. You can burn yourself with stuff. Ooh. And I'll peel the Jiffy Pop away. And this bottom is very hot, so if you have kids, you don't want them to be touching that. You want to have an adult do it. Alright. Seasoning on there. That's very good. So, here, hold on. That's excellent. Couldn't do better myself, I think. Maybe that's where the yellow comes from, the milk. I don't know. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I just cooked a thing of Jiffy Pop because my microwave died. Have a great night and stay warm and safe out there. I'm going back to the sofa bed. Bye-bye for now.